Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record phone calls in iOS 18. You can access iOS 18's new call recording feature before its official release by installing the latest developer beta. Just enable beta updates and settings and select general. Now choose software update and go to beta updates. Then select the latest beta to install. Installing the beta version of iOS does get you the latest features, but there could also be some bugs the developers haven't fully worked out. Be sure to back up your phone before installing a beta. You'll need an iPhone XR or later or iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd gen to install iOS 18, including beta versions. If you don't want to install the beta, you can still record iPhone calls using third-party recording apps. After that, tap the call record icon in a phone call. Whether somebody calls you or you call them, you'll now see a call recording icon in the upper left corner of the call screen. It does look like a waveform with a record button. Once tapped, you and the recipient will both hear an audio prompt that says, "This call will be recorded," and the call will begin recording. There's no way to turn off the announcement important that both parties can opt out of the call if they don't feel comfortable with being recorded. In the next step, call recording also works on FaceTime audio calls. Then tap the stop button to stop recording at any time. While the call is recording, you'll see a waveform at the center of the screen along with a stop button. You can tap the stop button at any time to stop recording, or just let the recording stop on its own when you disconnect the call. Open the Notes app and tap the most recent note to find your call recording. If your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence like iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16 models, you can also read an AI-generated transcript of the call. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.